A chance on the the first person who make the mistake, no, I'll be catching say, a year day, full bore. The chairman of oil marketing companies, no, Abekasa. Or see, by the end of week, we know, fuel price, no, it will reach 15 Ghana cedis. Yeah. That's the chairman of oil marketing companies. COPEC. Any OMCs. No? Fuel is going to hit 15 Ghana cedis by the end of this week. Now, you see, and what it means, they say, transport fare is going up. It's going to go up this week. If not this week, by next week, transport fare goes through. But you see, me, I don't have an issue with fuel price going up. Because I know, I've been told, the president we have is able to do magic. Yeah. But we were told, the fuel price that was going down to 10 cedis, President John Mahama. So why are people worried? If fuel price going down was because the president John Mahama and it's just the president that wants to set the fuel price to 15 cedis to see something small and then bring it back. And because we know that now is the president that is controlling the price of fuel. And it's a president who say, oh, I'm tired of seeing the fuel at 11, 12 cedis. But me fan 15 cedis kakra. Why are we complaining? Why? Yeah, miracle working Mahama. Why are we complaining? Why are we saying, hey, Debbie? Why are we complaining? We should be happy, sir. We have a president who can change the price of fuel at will. We should be happy. Because ABR or they got 15 cedis a year, or they record 21 cedis. From there, he might bring it back to 3 cedis. That's our president. That's the person we have. A miracle working Mahama. He's a miracle working Mahama. Yes. That is him. So don't be scared. And the funniest aspect is say, because fuel stations will bring them say, the fuel price is going to go up. No. And then you know, uko say fuel neho. Uko say fuel neho. Fuel neho. Fuel wa ho. Fuel wa ho pa. But masheda. Because they know that the price is going to go up. So why do I sell the one I have right now at 11 or 12 cedis? Make so you go. And then dance my honey now. Fuel. Uko say fuel neho. But they, you know, say they have the fuel. And look, NDC 4. Look, it is the best in your interest, say. None of you will come into a DM. I say Russia, Iran, Israel war, yeah. And I say America, Israel, Debbie. Like, let us not do that to ourselves. You see, we all respect ourselves. Let's keep that respect. Let's maintain that respect. Nobody, N-O-B-O-D-Y, like nobody should just try. I'm catching they say, fuel price is going up because of, I don't want to hear Iran. I don't want to hear Israel. And I don't want to even hear America. Because Ebusian 4, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, I catch they say, if war is happening somewhere, check the distance first. Number one, check the distance between Ghana and maybe a war no see war. Number two, next year say missile be air fly over your head and say bomb be air fly over your head and say distance no wa. Maybe Accra to maybe Navrungo or Paga. The distance is longer than that. And then you cannot see any bomb over your head, any bomb flying around that. Then you cannot say, it will affect your economy. Okay, and I'll say, the distance between Ghana Any Kyiv, Ukraine for capital, no. 7,000 BBB kilometers. And the 7,000 kilometers here, bet me affect here. And God being so good, God has made it so much that Iran, no, farther than Ukraine, free Ghana. Now the distance between the was a Ghana to Iran, 9,281 kilometers. Over 2,000 kilometers more. Madam Mo, thank you so much. Over 2,000 kilometers more than that the distance between Ghana and Ukraine. And see, why are we worried? If the person who knows, say, Ghana to Ukraine is 7,000, and it cannot affect our economy, is the one in power now, then we should be bold, we should be courageous, we should be optimistic. Say, the one that is Iran and father there, it will not affect us. And semu nimna full person because you look for another excuse. Tell us, say, the president just want to take something and see. That one will accept. You tell us, Mahama, His Excellency, or person tested BBC say, how would the market react? No problem. I understandable. But the moon nimna because say Iran war. Hey, you will clap for us. We will drag you on kasa. We will drag you. After we will go drag you on social media. Yeah, we don't have any power. We don't have any strength. But all we have is our platform, our microphone, and our voice, and our brain to think. So please don't do that. Because we have taken all the tapes, no. Yeah, keep it. Yeah, tapes, no. We are waiting for the first person who will make the mistake.
So person who dia make compare the first one. First one no di say. Na Mahama no Independence Day ana. So it tells you how diabolic they are. Because this is where now one of our popularity say journalists need defend or is they say what they are now me in assuming this the prayer is that call our friends say 150 160 and this is how I made them my expectation now can see a bush for Ghana or there now said you how they will manage now on pay kwanya obefa so bebu my man we
adrio wait me obere na Ghana koso
me abambo for obejina ho beka say Russia Ukraine war is 7,000 to Ghana no na ono and no president maybe they say nobody knows me me ka say you don't know me no president as a president na ohwe nyame anim nipa bonisem te sesa like him na odi nipa bonisem no onim say global friends externality has problem effect on any economy in the world now. Because we are not living in isolation. Even American drop of home base rate, American sneezes every 2008 economic crunch. What happened? It was America and friends issues, but every economy got affected. Wow, maybe you don't know what you are talking about. You think say you are talking to a shallow person. Meanwhile, your president Emmanuel Kachre say Russia, in fact, Ukraine cried 7,000. UAE to Ghana 9,500. In fact, I quote a friend say Akwawi Ufusukwachi a newsfire an arrogant braggart like him. He talked and Okasa no upiji as only Bibiama. And look, he was quick to say and Samson was drawing his attention, say, do you think we had yes, we were shocked. Now it was the NPP who could not manage. Now before Russia Ukraine, now he was smart. I could listen. Or see before Russia Ukraine or the economy na said that. Now he nyese wonim another again. So ne Mahama one trying officer and
no you see Dantes Mr. Dantes why clear even that statement now we're making him good. Homa ebe Dani abatros atichi omomoko because now you people are speculating said that well. The economy is doing
Exactly.
well. So you cannot come and tell us that there are any shocks.
Or see,
Ghana.
Saturday, I just say the economy is sound, everything is well. Na udim, so I know I am nice. And yes, a two or not, but economy is resilient compared to the MPP time. Now, way back Russia-Ukraine war, the economy not say that. Na na niti ya boneno, any nipa bonini na America no. Na we jack COVID. Russia, meanwhile, the journalist should have pointed to him, said there was financial cleanup. Okay, say yeah. The economy not say that. No be any. There was financial cleanup. There was free SHS in place, and COVID and Sana Russia Ukraine war. So he couldn't draw his attention on all these offense Niema Etuto Omano. But he was quick to act, say, oh, I need the economy there. No, really, Indonesia. Well, we've been checking Indonesia. In fact, on per capita income, and yasam ketwa, even almost treasuries, almost reserves, is about 100 and something billion. Yeah, Ghana 13 billion per. Almost see, $92 a cra. Almost offered the expenditure will go by 6.25%. And then I'm between Fox News. Even Indonesia. Almost see $92 per bar na Ghana. So wow the other cancer no tetrahoneki can the open misebi ye nipa bone o president na akofa aba saa de ode chichire kufuado no eno a na de chichire no entokwa ne nye ho ne ekono entokwa na ekono 9500 miles away onhwe so no mu o ma no no nya all the time o mbefa bibi e dia watch what e dia ayese o mu ye nipa papa no de odi independence no be. It was not a waste. It was a very good program. For the first time a man opportunity to even people see their president at their doorsteps. Independence Day. Ube march with your president. Adaklu. If not a year, Adaklu wasn't known to many people. Who knew Adaklu? Go and see. You could the independence. That was the time you showcase here. Of friend say you never any of friend say Air Force planes are not president. Not why the Adaklu display no beautiful. And it's all be jana kase waste e kwan on pass on the back obviously na amemu na dananim obviously no mu ma no na ne ma bebre ba so obviously no bu ma no nya sa ne ma na o mu fa kwan bi so de dada di para okay I mean that's
Okay, Wycliffe, me so me
Aye any da ho sem say aye entro ene na da to be beka say reset no adane settings mama day say MPP ye ba ban mu 2017 na ye former goodie ye this year ye gold no na ye 8 tons. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia etna say ehun say Ghana ha ye tu e former goodie wa ha na ye tu former goodie wa ha e wo say Ghana na ye tu no enso etimi sie bi na ye kwa ahohiehie ma etimi di aboy ye ho bra e na 20 I think say 2022 e na Dr. Mahmoud Baumia de sa gold reserves ne buy. And as at 2024, na ye free abamu. Na ye gold reserves are yetimi esie e 31 tons. Ye betu 8 tons. Within 2 years, na yetimi esie 31 tons. NDC for eba abamu no. Omo se ye gold na MPP enye ani swade hunu. Omo sie ye no. Ye gold no, ye sie bebere dodo. Nti omo de ye, omba akoton bi. E no mo ko edwaman so ekoton emu 18 tons. Na mama day emu 18 tons na omo ton ye no omo ton no 3000 and ne omo say gold na omo ko ton 3000 no omo dey akọ parliament say e wo say ye sie ye gold enti gold na omo ton 3000 no omo said e kwa akoton 5000 na omo de Ghana sika 1.2 billion say be so akakoto gold asa be sie mo ba ye ne ye sie gold musi gold na yesie ne dɔɔso dodo ɛna mokoton bi ene masa ba say gold na mokoton no fofofo no musa de Ghana ye taxpayers money say be so akoto ne 5000 na baba besie enti mo de 1.2 billion ɛna ebe so we kire enkrofo bi omo wa ban mu eni so ade hunu omo wo omo ni ene mammofo a omo ye because enkamentia say any reasonable person and any logical person ever hakoton ye gold that yesie 3000 na wasaka say the same gold na oton 3000 no or say koton na boden asa baba besie eteki obi a say bio na adwuma emmere aban a woni ani so ade hunu e no be ye sa ade we Mama de MPP Ekufuado eba abem 2017. Na cocoa 475 Ghana. Na enu 500 Ghana cedi po. Ekufuado ye en nkakra. Enye say international market no yenti gold yenti cocoa prices so yete so. But aban na nenim kwan of source or subsidize ema price no yente so. Enti Ekufuado be fa cocoa no from 475 Ghana cedis no equal 3,100. Yenya NDC aban enam so mo ye atro ene adada afonti obo be ka kire se Ekufuado sisi cocoa akuafo na omo na wa aban mu a anka cocoa price no anka omo de beje 7,000 any 6,000 ene nyame adom Ghana fo bi ma omo adwuma emmere edi omo achi ekoto aba ede ma omo ene omo baaye no cocoa price na Ekufuado tu mu from 475 Ghana ede call 3,100 no yesenka wentimi enya bia ma wa ase a anka yembo ne kro no but NDC baaye na price no almost about better so enye me wan say your friend o man panyi high sense because watiti cocoa so say who obae no cocoa price no was better so mama de MPP ya ba mu 2017 na your flashy program ya dey campaign pan free education and Ekufuado make sure say within 1 year in government no within 8 months and rolling out free education and or the buy. And then free education open in any international recognition a free education because Ekufuado any MPP aban any education home faso omunim emfaso say education because you say who educate woman for or mine no ebetu mpon te Ekufuado enya da enisuade hu no and the free education by say ye educate ye man for and oba aban mu no wan hwe se oba ye na enche wan hwe se oba beto atorenchem bebre oba no because na ye major flashy program ti or rolling it out within 8 years within 8 months ye musa ye ho se NDC ba aban mu na omo major program pa na omo de ba de yen na 24-hour economy omo se job 133 adwuma ba ko no enipa miensa na beye enti atogana 40 because nyina ye nim se unemployment no na was so enti omo de sa policy ne baaye no eto youth ni trim ekoto aba ede ma omo ye musa ye ho se omo baaye 24-hour economy na omo kan ko omo budget a omo ready eni omo budget mu omo ka kire say because of 24-hour economy na omo de ba ninti omo ma incentives be ma companies omo ba be sa 24-hour economy no the electricity ye better so the better electricity so ede ama omo and so omo baaye within 1 year Oma increase electricity 28%. Now mama de who increase electricity 28%. Now to salary move 10%. O person woman for and I want you the beba almost so. Because what to salary move 10%. O to salary move 10% no. We increase electricity 28% and water 15%. And then mama dey youth need su say rent kwa yenye sika emfa han da because dan bo ayeden and then tia e dan bo ayeden ne say Mahama buy no sa insurance oba beto insurance no mama be o kwa ko han wo dan na e dan na o ko han no if you no ye insurance na ono insurance na wo ye ne yatuma definitely ono so the dan na ma rent obetuma ma and eno ne ahokyeda ye face e wo Ghana ha no NDC ba omo se Ghana fo Ekufuado aban awie sika enti omo ba ora omo beje sika bia chese MPP aban awia ema omo sete ho committee ede okudeta abrakwa ede document ekoma attorney general say sa document na ode aba no say ode sika ni nyina ebeye 21 billion sika obetimi age ede ama Ghana ye 21
yeah, sorry,
billion.
Doctor, more reply the best ni no wa say o mama. More reply the mama. Me that's got tender more.
Sika ama Ghana $21 billion.
If you are the base might be one and person me can say my picture not twice why. Or say MPP egu. And you know you joining the base. Me can tell you say
me kamenya ka de sa the base na mo credence ka mo di kwa na mo hype wo. We should just ignore them because they don't exist.
It is possible mute to the mommy. If you are
Mama, give me bow. If you're royal, Well, Mama don't say me can say be. Say who idea as uncle for no plot to a plan ya on. A bed Jones, Mama D.
Never to be ne.
A bed